Here I'm going to be talking about the vocabulary enricher. When you are the vocabulary enricher, you see the directions here. They're pretty straightforward. We want 3 to 6 unfamiliar words. You're going to put all the work on this page, and you have an example to link in the examples. But I want to show you something that people have been struggling with. Let's say I encounter a word, and I encounter a word like offended. So I look at the sentence, now she thinks she's offended you, and I write down that word, and then I go look up the word offended. When I look up the word offended, I'm going to see a sort of long definition that doesn't necessarily fit into, each one doesn't exactly fit. So I'm going to go back, I'm going to read the sentence again and get a feel for it. I get the impression poor Gwen wasn't expecting to see you looking so big, and now she thinks she's offended you. So I've got to look at all these different definitions, and I've got to figure something out. Cause to feel upset or resentful? Well, she said offended, which was a verb. Cause to feel upset or resentful. Commit an illegal act. Well, when I look at this sentence, it definitely doesn't feel like she's done something illegal. So I think the definition I'm going to use is the first one. And when I look at the first one, I'm going to see how they use it. Viewers said they had been offended by bad language. And that, she didn't use bad language. That doesn't make any sense. Hurt someone's feelings. Oh, she did feel like she may have hurt his feelings, so that does make sense. So I think after doing some thinking and comparing and putting words back into the sentence, let me try that. You look so big, she thinks she hurt your feelings. She thinks she's hurt your feelings. Well, that makes sense. That is the definition that I want to use. So now I'm going to put that into my own words back over here in the definition box. And then I'm going to explain how it fits into the story. And the important part here is that it is Gwen clearly wants to be friends. She cares about Max's feelings. So I did a lot of work with that video did a lot of work with that word to figure out what that definition means.